826, exit at 12. I'm behind the signal 10. Driver! Lower all the windows! Driver! 1155, I got the signal 10, he's fleeing. We're going to be 826 eastbound from 12.
826 eastbound from 12, is he on foot or is he on the signal 10?
I'm behind a signal 10, black GMC Benelli. It's going to be a 28 of 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec. We're going to be eastbound 23. Alright, 23. I believe he's signal for the vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we got to roll over. Let me see your it! Let me see your
for it. 2026. One out of the passenger side of the car. 7625 of them. Get more units over here, guys. We got one back out here with them. On ramp. Radio, Charles 35 priority.
35.
I got Olympia stolen, westbound Black Lake, speeds are 80, light traffic, start.
Black Lake from?
Stand by. We're continuing, speeds are 75. We're about the 2800 block.
In which direction?
We're still westbound, light traffic.
Tracy, are you in pursuit?
Radio plus 35, correction, Charles 35, I will be in pursuit.
Jacqueline's on a code 10 for a pursuit, Black Lake Boulevard.
I'm 10-5 en route, check with Smoky.
10-5, I copy.
4-5-10. 35 are you guys toward 101? Radio, Charles 35. I didn't have eyes on him. I rounded the corner and we got a TA.
Copy. TA, what's the location?
Black Lake and Black Lake Belmore. I need ALS.
Copy. Are you okay?
I am fine.
¿Dónde? ¿Flores? Sí. No, de hecho los carros de son los que menos se... ¿Sí? Se oxidan. Acá es principalmente por... Uf.
Why they push each other? Ya no lo veo.
Sucks.
Está atrás.
There you go. About fucking time. Thank you. Oh, motherfucker, really? You fucking idiots. Motherfucker, here we go! God damn it! God damn, that dude is not okay. Motherfucker, he is